Hello guys again and welcome back to another unboxing, reviewing and testing. And today is all about this Parkside charger 20V 4.5 amp, and I will do a comparison with the oldest model, and I will disassemble these two units and find out the parts inside of these chargers and find out, of course, the differences between these chargers outside and inside at this robust housing. Now outside, by the first look, we can see the differences. We can see the LED lights are different here. We've got the Parkside logo different. The ventilation. We've got more ventilation here. Same in here. Here we've got these two holes for wall mounting. Here we don't have that. Rubber at these feet prevent any movement. Here we don't have any rubbers. Both of the charger, they've got fan inside for cooling down all the parts when it's charging. And this is the model PLG20A3 and this is the model PLG20C3. Well, to say my honest opinion, definitely I like the newest model. It feels more robust, great design, I like it. Most of the times when we get the newest model, it is better than the older. Nice, now let's disassemble, starting with the oldest model and find out how it looks inside. What is the differences between the oldest and the newest? Four screws, and at the newest model we need to remove these feet, rubber feet, 4 of them, and we've got 4 screws. There is the oldest model. Nice. We've got another 1 screw at the middle. There is the fan. Connect at the main board. And we've got another 3 cables are going here at these 3 metal contact plates, coming in contact with the battery and start charging. The 2 LEDs. Okay, now let's remove the other, the newest model. And again, there's the fan. We can remove this fan, and here we can remove this fan, but it has glue. 1 screw in the middle. There are the 2 LEDs. These LEDs are in a highest position. This is in a lowest position. We've got heatsinks here, the same heatsinks here. The fan, it is the same, but from a different company. Here it says CR Electronics LGT. Okay. Oh, we've got the same transformer. Same code in here. We've got more glue at the middle between the transformer and these 2 heatsink, just to cover the cables inside. We've got a large capacitor, same specs, 68 mF, 400 volts. And I can say everything are in the correct position, in the same position compared these 2 units, more or less. And at the back, yep, we've got more glue here, less glue here. Well, that has to do with the manufacture process, but it seems a better layout for these compartments at this board, at the newest. Now, Let me show you closer, guys. This is the newest, the oldest. And at the back. Nice. I like it. Overall, I think they've done a good job manufacturing these chargers. But as I said, I like the newest. And the fan, of course, for cooling down everything. Okay, let's assemble it again. Okay, now let's connect the batteries here, and I would like to see the fan when it's working. Don't do that at home, guys, because everything are exposed. Don't touch nothing at this area at the board when it's powered on. And we can see the green and the red LED. Here we've got the stronger brightness. And there's the fan, yep, sucking all the air and cooling down all the internal compartment. You can see it's working. Same in here. Perfect. And that's how it can charge your battery. Switch it off. Don't remove the batteries until it will drain the power from the capacitors. That's how it will be safer for assembly. And that was all, guys. Now you know how it looks inside the oldest and the newest charger, 20V 4.5 amp fast charger from Parkside. Now you are smarter, we know all the compartments. And of course, now in the end of this video, you can check and the video that I made charging these batteries, how long it will take to charge the 4 ampere hours and the 2 ampere hours with the fast charger. Don't miss it. It is very important. And of course, I have many other videos you can check at my channel. Definitely you will find something interesting and just watch it and decide if you want to buy the product or not. And with all that, guys, this is the end of the video. Thank you again for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. It takes only 1 second. Press the subscribe button and done. Share this video. You never know who may need it. And hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.